영환아, 그러니까 이게 메뉴야. The sprites are over. The commands are over here. The stuff that you tell the sprite to do. This is a sprite. You can drag it around. It's the thing that you make move. So if you go like this, it says when the flag clicked. So it says when the flag clicked, blah blah blah. So if you go to the motion, it makes it move. When the flag is clicked, make it move 10 steps. What do you think that will do?
Make it move 10 steps?
Yeah.
I guess.
Right now it's pointing right. So it'll make it go right 10 steps. Watch. It goes 10 steps, right? Okay. So, or you can do this. Turn 15 degrees. That will make it turn right a little bit. See? It turns rightwards. And if you do this, when the flag is clicked, go to some kind of place. So this stage, this is what the place is called. This is called the stage. It has little numbers on the places. So over here, there's the places x negative 234, y negative 179. When it's over here, it's x is 230, y is 170. When the mouse goes this way, the x gets bigger. When the mouse goes this way, the y gets bigger. If you do this, then both of them get bigger. Okay? Do you get that? Okay. Now, so if you make it move, if I make it move to, the middle is 0, 0. Okay? So if I make it move to 0, 0, what do you think will happen? It'll move to the middle? Yeah, you're right. It goes to the middle, right? If I make it move to 100, x 100, y 0, where do you think it will move? Yeah, and where do you think it'll be? Move the mouse. You think it'll move around there? Okay, let's see. You were close. It moves right here. So if I open the XY grid, you can see what the coordinates are. 100 is over here, 200 is over here, and stuff. Okay? Oh yeah, and when you want to make this look different, you can go to and when you want to make it look different, you can go to the costumes, and then press edit, and then blah blah blah. Then it looks like that. You can make as many costumes as you want. Okay? So that leads me to the next one. If you do when flag click, go to next costume. Then it will move to the next costume. So if it's like this, if I do next costume, it'll turn to this. But if it's at the end, and I press next costume, it'll go back to the beginning. Okay? So if I do next costume, I did next costume, right? Then if I press this flag, what do you think will happen?
It'll turn black.
This one? Okay. Yeah, you're right. It looks like that. In order to make a new sprite, you need to go to a new, you can press this button to make a new sprite, for you to draw a new sprite. Or you can press this button, and then you can choose a sprite from the files which they've already made. You can choose it from here or here and stuff. And sometimes they already have a few scripts. Like crawling ant. What do you think this crawling ant will do? Read this. That 0 is up, 180 is down, it says over here. Okay? So when you want to know, all you have to do is press this little arrow. What do you think it will do?
I think it will go. I don't know.
When the up arrow is pressed, it will probably move up 10, right? Right? It says over here. When the up arrow is pressed, point up and go 10 steps. What does this say?
When down arrow key is pressed, point in direction 180.
That's down.
And move 10 steps.
Okay.
Left arrow.
Okay. So when I press, it works, right? Okay. Well then now, if I have this, when space key pressed, turn 15 degrees and move 10 steps. What do you think this will do?
It will make the ant go a little right that
When?
way. Huh?
When I do what?
When you do the space key.
What will it do if I press the space key?
It will
It
will go like this right way.
Okay.
And
then
when it's done, it will go 10 steps.
Let's see if you're right. Are you right? So when I press the space key, it moves 15 degrees to the right, and then it moves 10 steps, right? And that makes it move in a circle, as you can see here. What will happen if I make it 20 steps instead?
It will go longer.
It will make a bigger circle, right? Let's see. What do you want to do if you want to make a really big circle?
100 steps.
Let's see. I think that will be a little too big, but... 좀 크네.
90.
Try 90. Okay.
Where is it?
Still too big.
80.
80. Still too
70.
big. Still too big.
60.
How about you move by like 20s instead of 10s? Because... I'm gonna? Okay.
25.
Try 25. I think that will be a little.
Too big.
No, too little.
50.
Yeah, I think that'll be right. See, it works, right? 50. Okay. What do you think will happen if I do 30 degrees instead of 15 degrees? It will make a smaller circle because it's turning around more. Right? Okay. Now, okay, if you want to delete a sprite, you just press the left mouse key, the right mouse key, and then press delete. Right mouse key, press delete. Okay? And then in the script menu, you can explore, like, it's like sentences. When space key pressed, do something. When running in and clicked, do something. Wait 1 second.
What about
Yeah.
Mouse
fiddle.
What about you want to change the stage?
Ah, the stage. It's like it's like you press the stage button, you go to backgrounds, and then you do edit. It's just like sprites. Okay. So these are the scripts are just like sentences. It's like when flag clicked, next costume, say hello, and then change color a little. Then it'll be like when you click the flag, when the person clicks the flag, change the costume into the next one. And then change the color and the change by color 25. See? Okay. See? It turns into the next costume, says hello, and changes color a little.
Wow.
If you do it by 5, it's a bit like. And if you do forever around the whole thing, it'll make this do it forever.
That's really fast. What about a milliliter?
Huh. I don't know.
Millisecond.
Okay, so I'll show you one of the.
Millisecond.
No, whatever. That's too little. It won't process. So if I over here, what does this? What will this do?
Did you make this?
Yes, I made this. What will this do?
When I receive copy, what's copy?
They're messages. I'll teach you about that next time. When I receive a certain message named copy,
go to X111 Y60. Switch to costume 11. Show.
like sometimes, like if you do hide, it disappears. When you do show, it shows again. And then
show. Repeat 10. Wait 0.017. Next costume.
so after it gets the message copy, it will go to a certain place. It will turn into and then it will turn into this costume, and it will show, and then every 10 seconds it'll turn into the next costume. Should I show you what it does? Okay. Salutations, programmer. It seems my numeral sequence is also a number. Blah blah blah. You can go table.
That's the copy. Is that the copy?
No. This is a different sprite. They look the same, but they're different.
Why is there always someone can be? Oh.
Okay. That's the sprite I was showing. This is. I'm not done with this game yet. Watch. If you press space, it turns into that costume. Okay? When you press up, it jumps. When you use the arrow keys, it goes different spaces. I'm still having a tiny bit of trouble making this. I need to debug it. But anyway, okay? And when it gets too messy like this is messy, right? All you have to do is press the right mouse button and press clean up. And then it cleans it up for you. Okay, so that's it for today.